Fractions in word problems. Math for kids with Lucas.
Hi friends, I'm Lucas, and today we're going to solve fraction word problems. Fractions might look tricky, but don't worry, I'll show you how to solve them step by step. Are you ready? Let's jump in.
What are fractions?
A fraction shows a part of a whole. The top number is called the numerator. It tells us how many parts we have. The bottom number is the denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. Let's try using fractions in stories.
Fraction word problem number 1. Pizza slices.
Problem 1. Liam has a pizza with 8 slices. He eats 3 of the slices. What fraction of the pizza did Liam eat?
He ate 3 out of 8. That's 3/8.
Nice job!
Fraction word problem number 2. Chocolate bar pieces.
Problem 2. A chocolate bar is divided into 4 equal pieces. Sarah gives 1 piece to her friend. What fraction did she give away? She gave away 1 out of 4 pieces. That's 1/4, or 1/4. Well done!
Fraction word problem number 3. Half of a group.
Problem 3. There are 10 apples in a basket. Half of them are red. What fraction of the apples are red? Half of 10 is 5. So 5 out of 10 apples are red. The fraction is 5/10, which is the same as 1/2. Great work!
Fraction word problem number 4. Lockers in the hallway.
Problem 4. There are 12 lockers in a hallway. 3 of them are open. What fraction of the lockers are open? Three out of 12 are open. So the fraction is 3/12, which can also be simplified to 1/4. Amazing!
Challenge question. Flower fractions.
Challenge time. Out of 6 flowers, 2 are blue. What fraction of the flowers are blue? Yup, it's 2/6, and we can simplify that to 1/3. You're becoming a fractions master.
Review and goodbye.
Great job today, math heroes! You solved so many fraction word problems. If you want more fun math episodes, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!